Do you know the structure of your strategy can literally save you from losing out in trading? Gold made this massive sell today and I was buying the markets. Watch this video to the end to see how my strategy saved me, and please like and subscribe. Good morning traders. Today's date is 29th of January 2026 and here again we are on the chart. We're looking at gold to do the same thing we do every day, and I've been doing this thing for the past 12 days, trading this particular $10,000 account. Anyways, I'm on trading view right now and you can see I've already made my analysis. My bias for today is a bullish bias on gold, and you can see the zones of interest I've marked out. Where you see the blue lines are my zones of interest for today, and these are where I'll be buying on this pair. Let's go over straight to MetaTrader 5. So right, this MetaTrader 5, the broker I use is HFM and I recommend them 100%. Check the link in the description and register. So coming to this place, all you'll notice is that I've placed my trades already and my trades are running as you see on the screen, right? So around my first zone of interest, I executed a buy and I used a lot size of 0.02, and as you can see on the screen, you can see the stop loss and everything is intact. The same way, on my second zone of interest, I already have my buy limit at that zone, as you can see, and the lot size you see there is 0.01. The reason why this lot size are alternating is because the risk exposures on various trades are different. So the risk exposure for my first trade, my first zone of interest, is quite different from the one on my second zone of interest. So this is where we are today, and we'll just see what price has to do today and hope for the best. Gold has really been on a bullish rally lately, so we just hope it continues and actually give us good profit at the time in which we are trading it, because that's very important. The timing is very important as well. It has to fall into the periods when you are trying to scalp something out of the market. So guys, this is just where we are at. And also I forgot to mention, I called this trade in my Telegram group. Let me show you real quick how it works. So right, this is my Telegram group here. It's free, by the way. You can click the link in the description to join, to be a part of us. Anytime I enter trades, I call it here and we update and follow updates on those trades until the trades are closed and everything. It's technically just seems like you are trading with me. Whatever I'm doing, I'm updating it. So do well to join the Telegram group. Alright guys, so we'll head back to the charts, and this is it for now. I'll hop on later and update us however this trade decides to go. Hey, what can I say? Just look at this drop, man. Just look at this massive drop. As you can remember, I had, okay, let me zoom in. I had 3 zones of interest for today, right? I took my first trade on this zone of interest. Price took me out with this massive push now came to the downside. And imagine how much amount of gold just moved in just less than 15 minutes, but because this is the 15 minutes time frame. So my second point of interest has already been swept out. Damn. So it now came on. This is my third zone of interest. I wasn't even expecting this to use this my third zone of interest for today. I wasn't expecting it at all. That price will come to this zone, right? But it is what it is. You can see, that's obviously I have to delete this zone because it's not part of today's analysis, right? So you can see where I have my trade. This is my last trade for today. If this trade goes and hits stop loss, then I'm done, because that's the last zone I'm expecting to be buying from today for today. As you see on my P&L, I'm running and I took some serious loss. Like, what the damn, I lost 2 trades in a row, and both are carrying huge risks of around 3% per trade. This has really taken me back. But anyways, as usual, let's see what happens and let's hope for the best. I'll update you. Damn, God is crazy, man. So guys, here's the final update on this trade today. And as you remember, in my last update I showed you the losses I took due to this massive push that gold has made, right? So my last zone of interest, this zone right here, was what I was left with. So the trade activated for that zone. So I had my stop loss right under this zone here. So the the price decided to start reversing, right? And it kept pushing to the upside. That's why you see I was able to make the little profit you see I made, and this helped me mitigate the loss I would have taken for today. So initially I was down almost $600, and I was able to make some profit that made me recover almost half of that loss, right? So now I'm down a little bit of loss that I might just recover tomorrow if everything goes well. So guys, I had to exit the trade around this zone because the time is no longer really favorable and I have to close for today. But this market really looks like something that will keep pushing up though. But rules are rules, I have to follow my rules. So anyways, this is how my strategy literally saved me, and this is how it has been saving me for ages. So guys, this is the end of the video. Like and subscribe. If you like the way I trade, join us on my Telegram group. Look down in the description. See you in the next one.